delicious. Oh, delicious. So soft. You gotta try this. These are the seasonings that I will be using for my baked potatoes. I'll be using 1 to 3 seasonings per potato. And let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna cut half, a little bigger half of onion, like this. And the other half, we're gonna slice it this way, like a moon shape. Moon shape. To cover the potatoes. Okay, moon shape. Like this. Okay. So, this is a sample. This is how you want to cut the potatoes. Leave the skin on at the bottom, like this. And the rest, you want to peel them off, okay? So like 1/3, I would say, almost 1/3 would be off. Or a little more than 1/3, yeah. So I'll show you what I mean, okay? So like this. You want to leave this much. Okay? And peel this part off. Like that. See? It's like a boat. Okay? And I'll continue to do this. And we'll be washing these potatoes afterwards. Okay. It's time to wash these. Okay, they look like it's ready to be filled with goodies. We'll be cutting like this, okay? Make a space. And do not throw this out because we'll be putting it back in. Like that. Yes, I am using tin foil. Yes, you could disagree with me, but no. Once you taste it, you won't disagree. All right, so you want to make sure to use this shiny foil part to touch the food, okay? Good amount of butter. Get it in there. Some onions, chopped up onions. The seasoning salt is mandatory. Okay. Gonna use roasted garlic peppers. Black pepper. So you want to just stuff that in like this, okay? Okay. And remember that moon-shaped onions we had cut earlier? So we're just gonna cover this up like this. Make sure to hold the onions. Cover it like this. Make sure the seasonings are going in. Now these are going on to a tray. Come on down here. Oven is preheated, 375 Fahrenheit. Gonna bake it about 40 minutes. Yeah, between 40 minutes to an hour. "40 minutes is over. Whoa. I'm just going to cook it for another 20 more minutes. So about an hour, okay? Yeah, smells amazing. I can smell the garlic and butter. So it's been an hour. And if you wish, you could add a little bit of parsley just for decor. You can skip this if you don't want to, or if you don't have any.